harrowing journey around the world Phileas Fogg and his companions, Leander and Fix, reached Yokohama, Japan. Fogg paid the agreed-upon passage price and a generous reward to Captain Bunsby before boarding the General Grant, a steamer bound for Nagasaki and Yokohama. Upon arrival, Fogg discovered that his valet Passepartout had joined the journey the day before. The San Francisco steamer was set to depart that evening, prompting Fogg to urgently search for Passepartout, who had gone missing in Shanghai. Despite Fogg's attempts to locate his servant through consoles and wandering the streets, he eventually stumbled upon Passepartout in a theater owned by Mr. Batchelkar. The valet, disguised as an eccentric performer, had a chance encounter with Fogg, who remained unfazed by Passepartout's peculiar appearance. Lauder, on the other hand, revealed to Fogg the events on the Tankada, including Passepartout's association with the detective Fix during the voyage from Hong Kong to Shanghai. Passepartout, cautious not to disclose his encounter with Fix, attributed his absence to a bout of drunkenness in Hong Kong. Fogg, seemingly indifferent, provided funds for Passepartout to acquire more appropriate attire. The Frenchman promptly transformed his appearance, discarding his unusual costume. The steamer, named the General Grant, continued its journey towards San Francisco, with a diverse group of passengers on board. The narrative highlighted the uneventful voyage, with Fogg remaining composed and taciturn. Lauder, growing more attached to Fogg, expressed impatience at any potential delay in their journey. As they approached the 180th meridian on the 9th day after leaving Yokohama, Fogg realized he had traversed half the globe. Passepartout, jubilant about his watch's accuracy, discovered it now aligned with the ship's chronometers. Unbeknownst to them, Fix the detective was on board, having planned to follow Fogg to England. Fogg, unaware of Fix's presence, and Passepartout, conflicted between loyalty and self-interest, were unwittingly entangled in the detective's pursuit, setting the stage for a complex and uncertain continuation.